guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to us layout for the scrap room. This is a little show and tell. So I'm just going to show you what's all in this portion of the flavors of the month kit this month, and then I'm going to show you the 2-page spread I created that is an exclusive recipe for subscribers. So if you want the recipe on how to make my layout that you see at the end, make sure you subscribe and you will get like a breakdown of how to make the layout. We're gonna play with Simple Story, Simple Vintage Love Story today. So with the scrap room, there are 4 mini collections in the flavors of the month kit. Each of them will come with pattern paper, some embellishments, and 2 pieces of cardstock. So this portion, so this 1/4 of the kit is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Love Story, and we're gonna get these 3 pattern papers. So we're gonna get, this one's called Our Story. No, it's not. This one's called Unforgettable. I have them in the wrong order. This one's Unforgettable, but it's this beautiful camera, and then it's like sheet music, old recipe cards, very vintagey, good stuff. This is Our Story, which I love this paper, and this is, as soon as I saw this, this is like the plan for my layouts, and if I do it the way I'm thinking about doing it. Love Story, Taylor Swift's Love Story song was like made into a video of our photos from our wedding. So if I have the right photos that I'm thinking about using still from our wedding to scrapbook, I'm totally using this page. But this is the A side, this is the beautiful B side, which is gorgeous. But this speaks to me so many ways. And then my heart, which is this beautiful heart pattern, and then this gorgeous vintagey red like flourish pattern. And then you're gonna get 2 pieces of walnut cream cardstock, which is a beautiful cream color, which goes with the Simple Storage Vintage collection super well. Everyone's going to get 3 tags from Simple Stories, so that cut apart sheet so it's going to vary which 3 tags you get, but these are the 3 I got. They have an A and a B side technically because it's off of a 12x12 sheet. And then we're also going to get some ephemera, which is going to vary per kit, some foam stickers, it's going to vary per kit, and then obviously the tags. So the foam stickers I got today are these, which is It's a Love Story. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Taylor Swift, got it. Okay. That, and then the ephemera, I got this big old thing with a journal, which is super cute, and then a bunch of little vintagey tags, very 49th Market-esque. I like that they've been kind of doing more simplified, less wordy bits, good things to tuck and layer. So it's a stamp. It says post office 2 cents, like a little seal, edge of a tag, a heart, a ticket of some kind, another ticket, another postage stamp, and a couple hearts. So I've got a lot of goodies. Good, 3 hearts, all 3 different colors. And that's going to vary per kit on what you're going to get, but we're going to create a beautiful 2-page spread with this stuff. I'm going to get started, and then I'll share it with you at the end. Okay, there is the finished pages. I grabbed my wedding photos because they need to be scrapped. Lots of them, thousands to choose from. So and I added a little bit of lace and some more stapling because there's some stapling details in a lot of the ephemera pieces I got, and there's a nice little hidden journaling thing. You don't have to do any journaling, in my opinion, when it's wedding photos, because once again, you have thousands, and they kind of just are the beautiful photos you get to take of each other. But since I'm doing these 14 years after my wedding, I made sure to write my husband a little note. So if he ever decides to come looking at these pages, there's a hidden note for him. But I added some sequins from Spiegelman Scraps flour sack. And if you are the subscriber to the kit, you will get all the detailed instructions of what I did and how I put it together and all the measurements so you can put this page together yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.